scammers frequently impersonate Fiverr Support by establishing counterfeit accounts. They employ tactics such as using logos and names that closely resemble those of Fiverr, thereby enhancing their chances of successfully deceiving users. A prevalent scam involves payment verification, where these fraudsters send messages that appear to originate from Fiverr Support, urging users to verify their payments through dubious links. This method is particularly manipulative. In addition to direct messaging, scammers leverage QR codes as a means to circumvent Fiverr security measures. This tactic directs users to fake pages that closely mimic the official Fiverr website, making it crucial for users to recognize such deceptive strategies. Therefore, identifying counterfeit Fiverr contacts is of paramount importance in avoiding scams. Fraudsters frequently employ logos and names that are strikingly similar to the legitimate ones, thereby misleading sellers into inadvertently disclosing sensitive information. Phishing attempts may also incorporate QR codes, leading to illegitimate pages. Users must exercise extreme caution and refrain from entering personal information on unknown websites or when solicited by unsolicited messages. Recognizing the hallmarks of a scam page can serve as a preventive measure against financial loss. Users should scrutinize for discrepancies in language and layout when compared to the official Fiverr website, as these differences often signal a scam. Fraudsters typically endeavor to persuade users to divulge personal details, potentially culminating in significant account issues and exploitation. Thus, it becomes essential to identify these tactics to ensure one's protection. Engaging with buyers outside of Fiverr's platform, particularly on messaging services like Telegram, can lead to non-payment for services rendered. Consequently, it is imperative to remain within Fiverr's ecosystem to secure transactions. Moreover, clicking links received through images can expose users to phishing attacks or malware. It is advisable to maintain a vigilant approach towards external links to protect personal and financial information.